So where were you born?
Born in Tammie, business.
Were you biding there at the time?
2000. Well, that's the
Of married me there.
Were you the oldest in the family?
I was. Twins, darling.
What about the rest of the family?
The one here, Jimmy and Meg.
Jimmy was not that much young. Older, youngerish, but youngerish was. He had 9 months, I think.
Maggie was 7 years young.
He was younger. And Maggie was the youngest thing.
It was between 6 and 7 years anyway.
So then good. Where did you go after Hannibal?
Oh, we were at Palmyra also. But I didn't think for 1 year we were there. It couldn't be that long.
I got we were 5 years old when we
No,
left.
we were
Old
man when we left.
You 4 years old when you left
I can mind
Palmyra?
we
We
split
to
up.
the Clavey.
On your power.
Yes, your grandfather's flat was with an animal mansion in it. It's cat and Austin.
With the Palmyra.
Yes,
Huh?
I think so.
I can mind was walking some.
Yeah, we let us.
Yeah.
These flat was stuff.
Then when we went to the Clavey, then we were playing around with me
Oh,
and
the rinks.
Lowrie and Jimmy.
Uh-huh.
And Lowrie, he found a clay pipe, and Jimmy, he wanted this pipe, and then he fell out of the pipe.
I let him broke. Yes. And the menus are
Well,
gone.
then you
Like die wie been born in the Clavey.
Yes.
He was born there.
Yes, born at Clavey.
And
He was
then
only
you
3 weeks old when her father died.
And then you go to the Palmyra for a while. How long were you
Oh.
there?
they were in the Palmyra before they could
For
play.
the Clavey. Jimmy was born at Palmyra. And Maggie was born at the Clavey. And we were born at Shetland.
Kirk. Then you come back to the Kirk after the Clay.
Yeah, our grandfather took us out there. And we were there. That's like I'm not sure. Oh, we were 1936 we come here.
So
Yeah,
you-
that's when we left this year.
You come to the
Winters.
windows.
Yeah. April 36.
Shouldn't be April 1936.
Can you mind that right?
Oh yeah.
The age where you died.
15.
We're 15.
So are your school days you were in?
Oh yes, and
Hannibal.
Hannibal, mostly, yes.
So are your school days you were in?
Oh yes, and
Hannibal.
Hannibal, mostly, yes. We're up at short time here. We used about land that said we're middle of your pension, you see.
Oh, I
Take
see,
the widow's
yeah.
pension. We got it about land, we used about, well, we used about 15. We should have left at 14.
So you were days in school and missed it.
Oh yes,
Yes.
Oh
That was
yes,
the
oh
school.
yeah. Teach the nation.
You were the bairns then.
Oh, the place was
29 when we left, I think that.
29.
But they're far near at that when we used. I'm not sure the number, I looked at about 40 maybe, I'm not sure. There are a lot of parents time.
both hands was full.
Yeah.
His father was student too.
Yes.
Yeah, and some
Yes,
parents.
yes.
His age.
Tammie was the one.
Yeah, he was too.
Them.
Yeah, they're the same class.
I thought he maybe was.
Yeah, they could have been, yes.
And in the Bordiker team, so they there.
Well,
Really?
they were. Yeah. Jimmy was work class, Jimmy and Chin. We were on a class 4.
Yeah.
Well, they were twins too.
They're twins and
Lizzie Tulloch.
Oh, yeah.
he was the youngest. No, Tammie moved. His wife was first.
She was the head teacher.
Oh,
Yeah, but she was
Yeah, she was worst teacher first, right?
I'm a teacher first.
We used to young hours to, for the Clavey to, she lodged. And Breuk.
Robbie Tulloch.
Robbie Tulloch.
oh, yeah.
Robbie Tulloch.
What was Breuk?
Yes.
And then we had him to school with there. That's when we first started.
Then she was a starting and Lizzie Tulloch then, the teacher. Kwam Vienna's first. Buiten, finish up Busje Buiten, was the first, Manchester.
Harry Manson's
But she
wife.
was
Was it
just at,
That's Bulmanson's mother, was it?
yes, no Manchester.
Yes.
Yes,
That's what she was.
yes, Manchester.
And we had 3 vaker daarnaast dus at that time, you say.
Ja, die 3 jaar wordt dan, Wickelman. Mogen er niet bij de zaad zitten. Peterine, dat was haar dochter, Peterine. Die komt daar nog wat. De grandmother always got her baby.
Baby.
Peterine.
Hallo,
Ze
dat
trouwden
is
dan.
baby. Het kan je voorbij worden, dan. Baby.
And the Harrisons, the news writer, there was
Oh, there are a lot of
Ronnie
family.
Cook was there.
A lot of family.
Jenny and Chinny and Jimmy and Charlie and the old man.
Baby.
Heb ik too.
6.
And Tammie Charles. Effie's man.
Tammie and Jimmy too. Jimmy Charles.
Yeah, that was Chinese son.
Yeah,
Jimmy. Maybe had him. He used to work in Larrow.
he's a China.
He was a China.
He married person boy.
Daisy person for Vidla.
Oh, Jimmy Harrison?
Yeah, Jimmy Harrison.
Yeah.
Harrison, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I can't mind him.
No, I don't know mine. I don't know.
Can't really mind him.
No, he was
No,
much
I
worse.
don't
He
know.
never bed has. You can mind me in seeing him. And he's lying at the bed and his crazy sitting on it. The have bed has some after. Doctor would take him out for runs. Dr. Jeffrey was an also.
It was good with the wind work.
Oh,
yeah.
Nine the China. Oh, yeah. Yes.
I don't think he was a China to drink.
He was a China, yes. He wrote in Larrow. He's a China. He wrote in Larrow, my mind.
Where did the Harrisons right come in from?
Was Charlie her son with him? Johnny's son. Charles.
Charlie, yeah, was Johnny. No, all Tommy Charles and Abby. That was their son, Charlie.
Was he?
Yeah. And Jimmy was Abby's son. It was Johnny's son. Jimmy.
Jimmy Harrison?
Yeah. He was
She must be
Johnny.
married to Harrison, man.
She was never married about.
Oh, she
Should he didn't should
called him Johnny Harrison, man.
we should tell them it's the Harrison. They're lucky isn't it fuck I don't.
Yeah, Harrison, sorry.
No, just mean like a Harrison's in nations.
I don't know.
No. The Harrison is maybe nominations, I don't know. Really? Well, they got the name for it.
That divided the news, right?
Yes, oh yes, the bed in news. Oh yeah. Where mind you?
Were they the headmaster fucked about in the news?
Yes, they were. The bed in.
Mm-hmm.
There's a person come
Yeah.
there. The bed at the news. The bedlam.
Yes, it was Whitland.
Mm-hmm.
The persons of Whitland.
They
Yes.
had a Jimmy married. And they left, some of them died the most. And then Johnny and Charlie, they did we Daisy to Bray. They went there. But Jimmy was dead then.
But that the house was empty after that.
Yes. Yeah, anybody been in there with them as I can't do.
See, her uncle got the place. I don't. Jimmy.
Really?
Yeah,
he
yeah,
got the
there.
job.
Well,
After all the fuck. They are gay up to know.
what way did Anya get it?
Fraser got it precies van...
Libby gate for his picture.
Ja.
Was
Yeah.
that the way?
And then dus is I'm not sure veel internet somewhere in that too. We Fraser. Yeah. Fraser die. Yeah.
She got it when he died.
Yeah. Do got it.
En dan ook al gaan de periha. Naar de kitchen als die periha.
And that the Christians were Gibby and Jean and Wally by the father and mother. What was the Muckle Wally was the father's name. He was Anderson.
He was Jimson.
No, he was Anderson.
Was he? Oh
Yes,
yes, he
yes.
was Anderson, yes. That's
Yes.
the wife that was Jim.
Yeah, she was Simpson.
Yes.
Yeah.
She came from North Asian.
Simpson's Southerby go to somewhere.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Why was it called the kitchen?
I don't know that.
Was het nou bigger down just as an extra piece did it? Nogal had.
Yeah, I did it.
Could have been them.
Yeah.
And the used it to the kitchen at that time.
Mine Tina saying that was it her uncle or something that big at the time?
Yeah.
When he married Uncle Willie.
What was this?
Tina the who?
Bij je de pretty host?
She said he bigoted it.
Oh, he bugged it.
Can't mind that man.
No, dat was ook lang voor we came to him.
Ik heb die time van het westen gehad en het was the
It was just
kitchen.
kind of extension.
Yeah, I don't
Extension
think
on
something
the-
there.
on
Yeah.
the-
Ja,
Yeah,
dan heb ik wel een tuin.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
He seemed to clean up that hustle.
Ja, he was very good.
Yeah.
En de mens,
The man's was thick rough when we came to him.
Oh,
Then
Harry.
when Harry Anderson by then, that was uncle to Libby who married to Ronnie. The old Stirlingship man. And mine bouwen drugs in on the Grundy. Grundy's old man.
maar de kwijt zijn
En
bedoeld.
dan de laan voor de zoesten.
Oh,
We worked on the half of trucks.
Telefoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine them.
Dat was een huik, ze zijn het er vroeger was nog gemaakt. Een Thomas huik was het.
Tommy
Tammy huik.
Yeah, we lead me Thomas.
Yeah, I think was he in it for Harry, that man.
Oh, I do he was.
I can't mind that.
I can mind what's fuck's speaking about.
Mind grandma.
Tommy,
His father.
yeah. Did he know kind of him out and muckle many it went? I mind what fuck's speaking about them.
So right in the after.
Yeah. Tommy said can't mind what it was. Said first day look at the fish was long Tammie hug.
Wouldn't they shepherd something in that house, isn't it?
And they might have been.
Yeah, like they see me.
They could have been.
Or Frieder or something. There was, her was married to Ander Winchester Liza, she was house, wasn't she?
I'm sure a lot of it.
Yeah, Ander Winchester.
Yes, I really she was. The boy.
Not Frieder then was shepherd, was he?
And then,
He might have been, yeah.
yeah, I can't say it.
I think it was the same house, or something.
It's your
Tammie,
wife.
yeah.
That's literally a long time ago.
So how many folk can you mind Biden and Hannibal?
And the foundation company, they didn't come.
Okay.
But the North Barn, there was Laura and Tammie, man and wife, and Peter. That's how I can mind Tammie. They made the body there dying. They've been afford that. Then there was the news, there was old Tommy Charleston, they called Tommy Charleston, that man. And then there was Chinny and Abby and
Channy.
they know anything. And Charlie,
Did you give Jimmy?
Jimmy Harris. And then there was, in the back house, there was my Uncle Jimmy and the wife and the boy. And the boy died. And then at the kirk was, there was lots of the kirk. Grandmother,
Abby. Grandaunt.
Chassie and Chinny and Minnie and my mother. Asty, Jimmy. Oh no, Jimmy never was work done. Asty and Jimmy was his friend too. Asty and Matty and Geordie. And then I was power. So there were a lot of folk with the kirk after we came there.
That's 26 so far.
26.
And then the rest.
Then the last there was Harry Anderson. Just the one in the then, but they told it come later. Tammie, Charlotte Anderson and Jimmy Damison. They made with the full boy, but they didn't.
That was the brother to Charlotte.
Well, that's another
And
3 then. 30.
Then you couldn't talk loud.
No, they're not yet.
The muffle was.
Oh, Gussie. I can mind her.
Gussie was the girl.
Gussie.
Gussie.
Willie and the wife. Yebby Anderson's father.
Now, he wasn't in the muffle he was the hero. He was in the kitchen.
Oh, their family big there.
Yeah. But I was in the muffle but he took Gussie there.
Gussie had him meer,
With the Jimmy had did the morphine.
Yeah, he was in it. He was a son
Charlotte,
of
the horse from Mary.
Jimmy and Charlotte was in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And the bar was in the kitchen.
What was he called, the father?
Willie
Anderson and
the wife.
his wife.
Tammie. Willie.
And Yibby and Chin. Oh, 5, 6.
42, I marked that.
They really were dead, they didn't handle that time.
You were under them by them there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't mind Jimmy Morford by the there, though.
No, he was getting more for Dan. He was married when we came to
I can't
Ann.
mind him. That was Charlotte's brother.
I mind all Laura going walking up and down the road, but she would fall out with one horse. She would go into after Virginia did, and she would fall out with them, and then she would
Going all the time.
run. But she wasn't that dull.
Nah, she was all kind, but I mind her wearing rubber boot feet. Boots and all the rubber's cut off. Yes. Poor boy.
My father was in the scarf at that time.
Oh, there was what is a scarf too.
I can mind Scarbo's mother, or Willie,
And fader.
and I can mind when she died, and I mind her the day that he left school. I mind her coming down to the brink.
Can I mind that?
Speaking to Artie and me. Willie was having liquor. The look at yeah.
In 14 that you left school then.
Yeah,
Yes,
14,
yes.
yeah.
There's a lot of the scarf then of the fuck. Oh, yeah, the bell.
Yeah, they're named Midder. Midder did young, dus. Lissy shows me all the same married then.
Yeah.
John Herbert a lot. I think John Tammie Herbert a lot. Yes. They're related to it.
Those Anders.
She was,
Midder.
her father was a brother to the way from Scar.
Nine Thanos father.
No, yes, Nana Tan's father. He was Anderson.
Yeah, I thought he was a
I
brother.
think he was a brother to the Scar.
There'd been a lot of cultivation then too.
Oh, man. Yes.
Everything was right
This was
then.
wrong.
And my Uncle Tommy land hay down with the sea. Down by where your house is.
Oh yes, that was that bad.
Down by the sea. And
He had his words on back with a snake on him.
white belt and all.
Yeah, snake buckle. He shined with the sun. The man was carrying pits with the hole. He wore a cheese cutter. And you see the sun glittering on them.
Oh,
There are big stone at the falls under the there yet. They used to rest on carrying the spits.
Granite stone,
that's what that muckle squares then.
Yes.
Did he just take him every day like that? That's what.
I do the carried every day.
day.
I don't care if they ever took any pits.
Yeah, they took them.
Horse, yeah, the cat and horse.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. But he never rode with him. That's petty, he rode with the cat and horse.
He did the carrying, he did carry.
Yeah, he carried Tammie.
That's about a mile.
But you I do this there. Do look at King.
Yeah, it's a mile
Yeah.
with the bushes.
And I do it with bra heavy pits too. It's blue pits I do it.
Ja, strong dat old Tammie. Die gaat hem uit een Tammie.
Was that thing that they met was last year?
Yes, Muggle Willie.
Oh yes, that was
Yes,
the
yes.
brother.
Yeah.
A brother, the Mogonini.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Die kwam hem
Daar
verzeilen.
heb ik mokkel.
Hè?
Daar heb ik mokkel
Ah,
in.
okay, ja.
They were big folk. They're all right, man. So, no, Muggle Tammie and Laura.
Mogon Tammie, he would always chase, he would always buy him tobacco. Then he'd come up by the seas with the pack and he was in the tobacco.
We couldn't smoke the horse to us.
But he had shoes in.
Yeah, he used shoes and he
Yes,
was
yeah.
handy while we didn't do it.
I mind my vader saying keert aan hem pits. My vader like for the kerk. Where they something like where there been 70 kerst lads die heette.
Oh, lovely.
Over the hull.
With the horse and kerk.
They let me win. Oh yes, I looked at
He said it was a 12 months bobbing.
Yeah, I did that.
And that's a lot of mileage.
They had a lot of pitch
Yeah, we did never told to that then, you know. It was our walking.
I'm sure it was 70 kerst
Yeah.
lads.
Geez, there came to be a lot of fires.
That's 70 mile away and 70 mile. And then 40 mile.
It's a long way up to the Grunnens. It's the Grunnens to get the place where it's at.
Runnings.
Runnings.
It's a long way.
The man was up casting the ground for his 6 boys and we tried that cast. We couldn't cast, but we tried it.
Just there, man.
Yeah. And then we'd always go to cast.
But for the run,
And she was him.
Was it Tammie and Arthur would meet that pit right first up?
good. Might it be?
Good days you've been. Oh yeah. Wasn't a bad pitch there up there. Did you pitch there?
Yeah, up over there.
Ja, hier meer glaswater way. Up for glaswater.
Yeah. That was good pitch.
I mind Wally showing me was you would hate the banks was the only a scar.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Yeah, he used cuttings there.
Yeah, you hate pit banks was it?
For the Billy Hoose.
Billy Hoose.
Yeah, he did can't what it was.
Yes.
I think I hate one of them cut.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're
Oh.
good pitch there. Apple blue pitch. Yeah, I can mind when the casting day was on, I would try and bite him, didn't they?
It was. Then we had the hole on the main cast and then they could see very little there.
We used to do a lot of putting in the hole, but yeah, to the stool.
Hoe wanneer you walk up to the school together?
That's the way they were. The bodyguards, Jeppy and Chin, Wally, I can't mind much with Tammie.
Yeah, Tammie was to shoot a short time.
And then they were Aston and Westford. Was 3. Well, they only did later.
That looked big with night was. Yeah, this should be handled.
8 anyway.
I mind Jimmy a scarf telling me about I'm casting on the forward. Hammond Geordie was just
Oh, yeah.
boys.
Yeah.
Youngings. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean some.
That
That was a grandfather sent them back to the house for this half bottle
Oh,
of whiskey.
John said, magneted me, mate.
They decided they would sample them on the ride to the hull and they topped them up out of the burn.
Did anybody
They
notice?
never noticed. They were swear that they noticed.
The dirty man's eyes no twinkle.
So you're the walker that on the road to the school.
Yes. And well, we different ways, we, the very good scarf, that way.
When
When
he
the burn was high.
Ah,
Put them
right,
on the cross, then we'd sometimes him up over Battlefield. I looked that might have been a shorter cut down up over Battlefield. No, sure.
You kind of mind that wife at Weidenberg.
No. It wasn't there when we were.
What?
Johnny of Bakerfield.
No, I didn't mind that.
I don't mind the roof kind of way on the house. Very low house.
Then we did the other way, it's not 2 banks up by Moorfield. So there are 3 ways we
Oh, yeah.
with 3 stepping stones we on across the burn. That money would fit sometimes, but
Big burn or something.
yeah.
So what was that story with the sterlings then?
Well,
Sterling.
you see, that was in the winter time, and they wouldn't sit out a lot to eat. Uncle was he hobbit, well, he set the net and
Trap
trap it, and
sterlings, yeah.
What uncle was that?
maybe.
Dumb uncle.
You know,
Different uncle.
That's long.
Maybe. Malcolm. Yes, he was too.
Yeah, they look him on your hard time.
And how did you cook them? There wouldn't have been much on them.
When I was on them, I can't mind what was
He was fine tasted.
Oh, I don't know, not sure. Nah, they wouldn't have much on them, the sterling.
You would have needed a lot of them for a dinner.
We looked at horse.
Then they make soup and... Yeah, winter is when they make muckle with me.
They did.
So the fish for the clip,
And
man.
then they made,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that was good fish for Celtics.
Yeah,
And there was a Pollock.
Down at the village and at Scarpy.
Young uncle was in that man, got down to the creeks.
And the banks.
And
He got stuck right at the bank.
that
And Tony's full.
Timon.
He done ain't going on up.
But
And Jimmy was with him. He was to the boy.
Jimmy had went out the banks this season. And he had done some work under Timon and put him up. The first that come home, he had the dog with him, the grandfather's dog. And I took the tiger to get him. And he came home. And then Jimmy came and told him what was up.
Jimmy was only a boy,
He's
pretty
only
boy.
pretty boy.
Yeah.
And then I my dad's with him, he had to tap him up
They do
with the
you.
rocks.
As Dan was grandfather.
Yeah.
It was Jimmy then, you know.
Then the man dad came with grandfather, he had pulling up the banks. With a rock down to him. Someone thinking, but I don't know what it was.
It was on the side of the seaside.
I'm not sure what it was. No. It was looking more on this side of the bank. I'm not sure. I mean, the Amnova side.
Have you been down for wind?
Yes. I think it's been done for a bow.
That he used to swim across the bow, didn't he?
He's a powerful swimmer. He learned a lot them to swim. Anyway, the grower. He's a good swimmer.
He ever rode to the boat.
I mean, there's a tree floating off of the yellow yonder. It wasn't very good weather either. And he got the grandfather and William to the boat. I mind it yet.
Oh,
Yeah. They got him in.
Got him into the brewer.
so you're based at the whaling then.
Yes,
Yeah.
How many years were you done there?
it was a lot of years. Half a nine, for 39.
1960 was for us then. But we weren't at that time.
Oh, yeah.
We were months for the while working for the camp. We were out at Quarry, Bravenstein. Mind all the rest of it, that's what they did in Peter 8.
The money, what like was the money at the whale? Was there any money in it?
It was a very
Very
good.
much money in it.
That was a grand maybe then, but that wasn't a big
We
money.
got 36 with those for Bravenstein. It was no 5 pence. I can't mind what it was over. It wasn't much money.
What about the whaling, was it?
That was better money in the world.
Well, he saved it till he went everything. Wasn't
Yeah.
that big?
Couldn't spend the last trip for what you were and the stuff you got to the hand. Ronnie
£3.15 a month we got from the first year.
To the whaling?
Yeah. £3.15
A
a
month?
month. Dick Misswell.
But then we had the bonus to see.
Yeah, you paid a pretty bit of money.
That's what that up your pay.
And you just got paid that when you come back to Edinburgh, did you, as well as?
Just when they come to, well, finish the station and the
Where was the headquarters? Was it Edinburgh?
police.
Leith?
Barracks.
29 burnets.
And you carry on the night at the pay camp.
Oh boy. You only got the pay after you.
Ronnie and Robert.
You had to wet your money there. They said when they're signing on there, when you're young, wow, did it well. Then they'd shoot the toilets to the right bombs and stuff to the left. There used to queue up outside there.
To the industry, that money went to him and they lot of them turned down too. He never got a job.
Once you were been there, they should have got an automatic.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah.
The old Captain Lisk could very mind the fishers.
Oh, that man.
He had a good memory of fisher.
Were you ever on the catchers? Or was it?
No.
I should on the Maroon Island, you know. Yeah, the different stations. That was in the winter time.
Were you in the factory shops then, or was it done?
Yeah, we run factory. We're a short though, the things. We run the swine fine.
Were jij in the same shop? Were jij together?
Yes. There one night that he took Lowrie away, I can imagine that. There was in Prince Olaf that night.
Oh, yeah, we usually catch the fish boilers and us after the whole station in Prince Olaf. That went a little hard, and
That
we ran
was
night
big.
away. But we no more seen night, I can't imagine right.
There was a night anyway.
Swine fine, was it there?
That was factory shop.
Yeah. Was that thing that got lost to the west then?
Yes.
Up of the north?
Yes.
She was sunk over and found it somewhere.
Had a nice
She had an iceberg, yeah.
We had the iceberg and she wasn't sunk right away.
She lay in 2 days.
She lay a while. Peter Smith we look ain't was lost in it. They actually are lost in it.
There's somewhat come out for it, I think, you know.
She's there an American ship alongside of us and wanted to take the whole lot, but some of them wouldn't leave her. And she eventually just broke in half ways, just suddenly. After lying 2 days, and
Found it.
good
Iceberg,
done. Yeah.
When I read that book, that's the year that she visitors the cow to the south. And boy, that was well told. That was the method was on the swine fund that year. There was then. That's when the raider was done. I'd say in the book about him, we nearly had an iceberg. She lost power. Well, she did lost power for a while because they picked her. But they got bunkers we so short here. Dirt in it. With the fuel, so they chopped it.
Shocked the machineries and we're drifted for a bit.
He
But
said
they got
that we're near an iceberg, a big iceberg, when the wind changed. He said it'd been just like hard stains, granite.
And there there was much of them below the water, you see. You're an iceberg.
No, that's that. No, it was below.
Was it?
Those
Yes, yes.
And then the Savannah, she was torpedoed, wasn't she?
Yes,
that the new Savannah?
That's the first of the war. 1940.
The first of the water.
Is that on the right dome?
Yes, they should
Oh,
last
it's
place.
on her. Yeah, I took that, yeah.
What is that?
Yes.
Henry Moore, he was.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that was fine, they listened to something.
They were nobody lost that, were they, that time?
One man,
Were they wine?
one Shetland man, and one Norwegian.
Andrew Smith, that was on the Guardian Star, was the
Evening Star.
Yes, that was his raider.
Oh,
His
yes.
failure, lost.
Were you called up at the start of the war?
We weren't called up, we
We
should
did the war.
You to the whale.
To the whale,
Yeah. We had in with names to see before the war started, for the whale. So when the war started, we got a job, down there.
And we were there for 2.5 years. 2 years, 5 months before we came.
But why did they end up at Black Sea then? But
Well, that's the direction service. After that, that's the war then. We were at several parts before we get there, you know, to the Mediterranean.
the Vine Line or something.
Mainland, yes.
Big lady was,
Big
the old
lady.
big lady. Yeah.
It's all ship, you know.
What was the what that?
I
It's
saw
on
a
another vein.
do, but I was in Canada,
Across the western.
across the Western Ocean. Yeah, there was below Lowrie, you know, son, that ship. And Geordie Manson was the bosun on my ship. Geordie for Murton.
Charlie A.
Geordie, eh? He was a fine bosun, Geordie.
I mean, I'm telling me he met, was he in somewhere in Malta or somewhere at the time?
Yeah.
They came alongside another ship to pick up some kind of provisions or something. He had a rower for a gun, and then this was the old man of this.
Yeah, that's how you're telling me that.
Old man.
Nice, my father.
He was on a ship,
He was rather money of St. George. So they were hiding next to shore, he said.
Yeah.
The chip wine.
Yes, chip wine. They have plenty of it. No, we never saw it. He was in the Mediterranean at that time. We were done, but we were never near where he was.
Jimmy, was he too young?
Was Jimmy?
Yeah.
No. Well, he was all to the war.
He did the war in 1940.
Was he merchant navy too?
Yes. Well, Jimmy.
So,
Jimmy was a good seaman.
Yeah.
what companies was he been with then at that time?
Well, he was at several companies.
During the war?
Yeah. He was in Belgium ship, the second trip by them. Then he was in a Norwegian, and then he was on several ships after that. He was on the Casper or the Tolstoy.
Yeah, he was his life, would
Yeah.
say.
Yes.
Magni, what was he?
Magni.
He'd been too young, was he?
No,
He started
he tried to win the merchant service, and he did him no, he did the larrock.
I'm in a man for Yale.
And he turned them down.
They went attacked them to say they're only youngie. They'd never been at sea.
And then he got called up for the army when the war was finished.
They tried to win a war when they're younger, as for what they're called.
Linda had worked that Magni.
Doorhoofd een jachtnest, dat is daar in de
Like
last.
that, yes. I wrote there for all 7 months and I still really got the wages that I got paid. He was all skipper than us. He was Captain Roberts. He was
Fabulous.
fabulous. I didn't think he did any fabulous than that. Yes, our Johnny guy when I was working.
His brother.
And Jimmy Lee and Megan Lee, and that's another brother. He came to Eastness to see me and Tammie was over at his wife up. When he was in Windows first looking for a boy for the what's going the craft. When he came to Windows he had him to Eastness because me and Tammie was in East. Did he XD? No, he didn't XD.
No, he didn't look to me. No mind he saying he
That's what he
said.
said. I looked at him sitting to the corner. He asked me if I'd come and what? I said yeah, and if he did. I was to start Monday morning. So I had to cycle the streets. I had a pretty bucket of the boat for Robert Dempster, pretty push bike. And I sat there when there's time to me, you might have did too, I had on this cheap. And when I come up, then they're both at the porch on the wife, looking to see if they saw me come.
He's a right hard master.
And he said, I was to go to the well. I never went in, you know. And he gave me 2 buckets and he said, I don't want any halves of buckets, I want full buckets.
Yeah,
So away I did and got this water and then he said, you know, it'll not be all smiles all the time. It was a hell of a man, was that.
he was a old sea captain. Yes, he was.
So you was the first meeting,
Did you bite there?
7 months, no? Yes, yes, I bet at the weekend, as you aim for the weekend. And then he had a car smash. He had a car, you know, and he was at the hospital.
Did he know that he'd looked at Scalloway time?
Yeah, that's for it, that time.
Yeah.
Took me to Larrock for a get clays.
He had a soap.
Get a soup. And when you did the Johnson, that second-hand shop that was somewhere in Larrock yonder, I can't imagine it. There's no markets.
I thought it was Margaret Street that he was in.
So I was get the soup, this man.
Wat was de name of soup for?
When he talked to Caesar, I didn't hear right soup. Neither I did. I didn't hear just maybe a chap in a pair of bricks. But John was a soup that I might a soup.
Did he buy him, did he?
No.
Come with those wages.
Wages, deducted. I was on his wit mind.
5 jaar.
It was Shepstone that he wrote.
Yes.
Yeah.
So him and the man fell out called soup. All the soup from the bottom. But I got soup. And I can't remember, I think there's some other things too they got. And then we went to Scalloway. He was going to see an old skipper there. And he said that he'd left me the car and I was to watch that nobody had come about. So I was watching, and boy, it wasn't very long till a lot of pretty boys had come. Were running around the car, but he didn't interfere for a mercy. I just sat still.
De Lieners, that's waar Wally Huik's midderkampé.
What will we have?
Je stelsels doen,
Yes, you know,
dat is waar je ook kampé.
they're a hayman that made it that house.
But can't do that, buddy. Big deal. Only House Springs made it.
The filter,
Dat is midder.
Smedder.
His mother made it.
It should have been, what was her name? It wasn't hard. It wasn't hayman.
Yeah.
Johnson's.
Ja, I think it's in summertime.
Yeah, this is summertime.
Waar would that have been held at?
Buckle.
So far would have been at it.
Maybe it should drinks to see.
Invitations.
Yeah, something. I mind the fuck in there, anyway. That would add, I can mind about it.
So you were biding in the kirk at the time.
Yeah,
We're buying a pretty good side. Yeah.
It was a very pretty house, the workhouse.
Do you mind any weddings or anything when you were there?
Gonna mind only wages and Handable. I mind when Muckle Jimmy and the wife married. Mind
Oh.
comment to Handable.
Yeah.
She's the beide were folks begging for a while. Boy, got house fixed. In the back yonder. I don't think it was better yet. I don't the extended but done him. Who's at the back? Already wood.
Robbie en Chelsea, die ging. Dat is een wedding in handen.
They did a wedding.
They had a sort of a lady in hand who were in Magni was at. My Magni's speaking of
Really,
it.
Jimmy and Maggie played, didn't they?
Yes, they played.
Magni could fairly play.
Yes.
Magni was a good fiddler
Magni
too.
made a
He
good
gave up
fiddler,
entirely.
fiddler.
Give it up. Magni got a drunkard to line, but he could very play. Deal among the tellers.
Yeah, it was good
Yeah,
at the past, too.
What was the guy that man that played in? There's Lisa played on.
Well, ik had Tammie Lowrie.
Nou, jij is een goed fiddler toe. Shetland is niet dat man.
No.
Toch die,
Nee.
Tammie.
Oh, that was the man that made copper was good. The man that first said
Krogan.
it when he took the
Jimmy
Krogan.
Meer kroegen.
Krogan.
Krogan. What
Yeah.
was his surname?
Cooper.
Copper.
Yeah. Was niet een fiddler.
Yeah, he could play the
He
fiddle.
said when he took the fiddle off the wall. And that was very good.
I mind that man. Seeing him, I mind we see a pretty sharp rattle
Yeah.
He was saying that Peter Liss, all the Liss.
Yes.
So far the doing up at the last Tammie father's too. When that finished.
I was 3 days up to Canada. Atlantic Ocean.
What shop was that?
That's Sam Mount. She was a Yankee Liberty ship, but she was run with the main line.
Very good, America.
Run into America, Canada. We were up in Montreal. Then we got to Antwerp coming home. And I got Robbie Johnson was in Belgium at that time on the salvage boat. And I got to think where his ship was. I got young and see him, and then he was ashore, never saw him. So we had shut away and they did.
And you were in Constanta, were you, Lowrie?
Yes. Yeah, we are
Romania.
Romania, part Constanza.
Hardy was there.
There are a lot of Shetlanders on that too. Jelmijn on there.
Nearly a day knew
And
everything.
the man figurating his name is dead too.
Good, that's the king.
Walter Noord. You see him with the past, like nasty.
His father was lost during the war too. Young boy.
It must have been a relief when it was all finished.
The night that the war finished, we got a bottle of maybe kerosene done to the crew was, the crew.
Down to the forecastle.
Yeah. We go to the saloon and God was not in there, and the old skipper come down and it's cleared up.
There's a bra old man with
Yes, it's all 70, I think. Patterson, we call him.
70-year-old skipper.
Yes, you're old man. Yeah, the son is skipper too. He's for Edinburgh. I mind him.
You wouldn't have been able to celebrate if you were at sea, Tammie.
Oh no, we never ignited that. We had a bit of a drama when we came back to this country.
What was the name of the ship, did you say?
Sam Mount. They argued under the Sam boats. The failure was running into him. But the worst time too,
Sam Motor.
Sam Motor.
But he was on.
Yes. After it was sunk, was it?
Can I mind? It was a no. Now, you were trying to bend lady after some.
Was no Fasty Wine that there was torpedoed, I think.
43. March 43.
But yeah, it was the 17th of March.
Yeah, I don't mind.
That was the part of Auckland he was on.
Yes.
In the port boats. Mind me and Lowrie and old Hamza was saying, we never kent he was being torpedoed. And Chelsea said that he was being sunk. The ship was being sunk. No, we made a drama at the hotel in Hull Street. At the pub.
So you both started your careers sound for right then?
Yeah, Lowrie was working to Jimmy, you see, at the house and not a meeting there. And I was on the rod.
And then if you get the start of the Dadish, and then boy, then Jimmy Johnson was right mad then.
What was the about the horse?
Well, you see, so I had a cart, I was carting on the rod. Carting the stuff to put on the rod.
Things.
The horse wasn't mine and the cart wasn't mine. The horse belonged to John Murrock and the cart belonged to Johnny Tulloch Sandville. He's just, they had a way of getting it on the rod down the less a cart and horse. They're not lorries. So I carted there and then they redid I was down to the end of the beach for shingle, the Sandville yonder, below Graveland. Alec Tulloch and Bertie there fell on the cart along with me. And we got, no, it was 4 o'clock the cart fell. I thought I'd go into the cart. And the mare, you see, she was awful wild. The mare belonged to Johnny Murray. Most awful wild she was. And I got into the cart and I set me done. She said, no, boy, she did go. I got feared and I jumped up to her. Jumped up the back end of the cart and I got clapped on the sand. I mind Lowrie and Muckle Kitty was working in hay out of the tunnel.
And this did use the Muckle Kitty used up the big Graveland.
I never told you about the drunk. Only we were working a while at the quarry and Robbie, he went to the north, this Robbie Tulloch Frugan, and he came back with a half bottle of wine. That was good wine, you see.
On the patio.
Patio. So he said that he made and I was never drunk before. So I said me done with the party and I took too much of it. I got drunk. And we set off and were dinners to Lowrie at Sample. Lowrie said when I come in I start to fire the tarties with the table. He never cared what the right was wrong with me. Jimmy was often mad about that though.
Oh, God, yes, he was very mad.
See, she was the contractor that she's supposed to be.
So the pay in Sample was...
$1 a day.
£1 a day.
That was Jimmy Johnson, you know.
It wasn't all the time, was it?
That was the time that I was there. It wasn't that long that I did, didn't last that long, I think. I thought we were paid out at Christmas.
So you paid weekly or monthly or...
I can't mind it, but I might have been every fortnight. Not sure about that.
And the stuff come out of the bar quarry?
Yes, there are lots of stuff that come out of there.
Oh, pick and shovel.
Yes, that time, yes.
They must have been a hard pick.
Yeah, he was pretty. She's young metal.
And they put Wally Lisk and Tom Lisk.
Yeah.
That's
Them in need time.
The
two alders mine then. Chrissy's father and
Oh, yeah.
they wrote so long on the road for the...
They put in 3 months.
Yeah, they put in so long.
For netting.
Working for nothing. They're paying for this road.
For the nation.
Yeah.
They had to pay for it. So they were so long and then they get home. They left.
Them with picks and shovels on the shore.
Yeah.
They said,
When they told me about Willie the while he'd pick. Because he did pick too. I
bet they just did that.
Yeah, he did done it. Yes.
I never finished you with old Captain, either.
No, they never finished.
Captain Robertson. And also they put a dripper yonder on Fail. On Fail Cross, or Fail, to the road yonder, across the water to the Ronnie Shell.
Just for the Ronnie Shell ship?
Yes, I used to in there too. We had the young, every had the ship there, had the young and help with us, dripper to see. So I had to go for Christie. Mijn oud Jebby Kussen was voor allebei hier. Want they later that all instead. Mijn versminister. That was on a weekend. I was supposed to go Monday morning to the dripper business. We didn't for the either go way boat or either rice road. And I went, well, maybe at the eight for Ronnie so. Mijn Jebby Kussen saying that me being ordinary seaman we So I set off for the Youngster. I could see them at the park again, the old Christie and the wife. Waited part, watching for me coming, and I was kind of late that morning coming. And they left to see for me. I said him down on the road, we casks and all. And then I come up to the house. He said, I can't remember what he said to me.
That's the wife that said it too. Did the wife not say it too?
Oh, yeah, no, he said that, the wife said that I near go, that's the right. He said, oh, no. He said he's got to go. So I had to go. But I catched them somewhere they had to run his for.
Catch those, the bait?
Yeah.
Oh.
The pay like you wouldn't have been great there. And
Or 5 shillings a week.
Oh, 5 shillings.
Yeah, what he was paying him, he was saying to do his work. Ronnie cruise, Ronnie
left thousands.
Did he?
Yes. So
he left 7,000, wasn't it?
That's me as dead.
11,000.
11,000. Then the days, though. What about quite finished this one?